હેલો નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે મિત્રો. ધોરણ 10 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ નંબર 4 અ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન. મિત્રો સૌથી પોથીના પાઠનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન આ વિડીયોમાં કરીશું. તે પહેલાં ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી તમારા મિત્રોને પણ શેર કરી દેશો. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. મિત્રો આપણી ચેનલ પર તમામ વ્યસના સ્વાધ્યાયન પોથીના સોલ્યુશન ઉપલબ્ધ છે. જોઈએ મિત્રો વિભાગ એ ની અંદર જેમાં કહ્યું છે રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. ફકરો વાંચો અને તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપો. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે હુ વોઝ એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી બિઝી ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક હાઉ કેન યુ સે સો. તો આન્સર જોઈએ ધ ગુડ લોર્ડ વોઝ એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી બિઝી બીકોઝ હી વોઝ ઇન ટુ હિઝ 6th day ઓફ ઓવરટાઈમ. ત્યારબાદ આગળ ક્વેશ્ચન 2 વોટ ડીડ એન એન્જલ કોમેન્ટ. આન્સર an angel commented you are talking so much care for creating this creature. Question 3 what does the Lord say about her parts. Answer the Lord says that all her parts should be movable and replaceable too. 4 what is special about the lap of the mother. Answer the lap of the mother is special because it disappears when she stands up. Question 5 how is mother kiss miraculous. Answer the mother kiss is miraculous because it can cure everything from a broken leg, a broken heart. Question 6 how many pair of hands and eye must she have. Answer she must have 6 pair of hands and 3 pair of eyes. ત્યારબાદ આગળ પ્રશ્ન 7 છે what did the angel think about the task. Answer the angel thought the task was extremely difficult or nearly impossible. Question 8 which part was the Lord worried about. Answer the Lord was worried about the three parts of eyes that a mother must have. Question 9 what was the Lord creating. Answer the Lord was creating a stand model of a mother. ત્યારબાદ આગળ મિત્રો જોઈએ ક્વેશ્ચન 10 what did the angel request the Lord to do. Answer the angel requested the Lord go to bed and not take so much trouble in the single day. Question 11 how can you say that the mother would be very efficient. Answer the mother would be very efficient because she can help herself when she is sick. She can feed a family of 6 with only half a kilo of cabbage. She can manage child's bath, play, study, food and sleep without getting irritated. Question 12 how will the mother take care of her baby. Answer the mother can manage child's bath, play, study, food and sleep without getting irritated. આગળ પ્રશ્ન 13 what did the impressed angel do. Answer the impressed angel went closer to the model and moved his finger across the cheek, noticing that the model had tears. ત્યારબાદ આગળ પ્રશ્ન 14 what was a miracle according to the Lord. Answer according to the Lord the tears was a miracle. Question 15 what are the tears for. Answer the Lord explained that tears are for pain, joy, pride, disappointment and loneliness. Question 16 one word for the thing which can't be compared with anything. Answer incomparable is the word that means the thing which can't be compared with anything. Question આગળ 2 છે write a short note focusing on the question. 17મા નંબર છે મધર અ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન. મિત્રો પેપરની અંદર પણ પૂછાવાના પૂરેપૂરા ચાન્સ રહેશે. મધર ઇઝ અ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન ઓફ ગોડ. વેન ગોડ ક્રિએટેડ મધર he wanted all her parts to be movable and replaceable. Her lap disappears when she stands up. Her kiss can cure everything from a broken leg to a broken heart. God wanted to give her 6 pair of hands to manage her children and family. Without getting irritated, she would be able to run on any food available. God also wanted to give her 3 pairs of eyes. One pair that sees her children through closed doors, another pair to look at the children and say, I understand and I love you without uttering a word. And the third pair to say all secret things without opening them. When the model was ready, her eyes started leaking. It was unique. It was a miracle. That was a tear I could be for pain or joy or pride or disappointment or loneliness. ત્યારબાદ આગળ મિત્રો ક્વેશ્ચન 3 રાઇટ whether the sentences are true or false. જોઈએ 18મા નંબરે The Lord easily decided how and where to put 3 pair of eyes. False. 19 A mother has power to cure herself. True. 20 Mother eyes quickly understand the feeling and emotion of her children. True. 21 The kiss of mother can heal a broken hand. True. 22 The tears of mother are incomparable. So true. 23 The tears of mother are for joy as well. True. 24 A mother needs so many things to manage her kitchen. False. 25 The Lord was extremely busy for 6 days. True. 26 The mother can heal anyone. False. 27 The Lord created a perfect model of mother in a day. False. ત્યારબાદ આગળ your mother is displeased with you due to some reason. What will you do to please her? જોઈએ તેની અંદર આન્સર. If my mother is angry with me, I will say sorry and ask her to forgive me. I will try to understand my mistake and promise not to repeat it. I will help her in the kitchen, clean the house and keep my room neat. I will talk to her politely and spend time with her. I will also finish my schoolwork on time. I want to make her smile and show her that I love and respect her a lot. ત્યારબાદ આગળ સેક્શન બી જેની અંદર read the paragraph and answer the question. Read 1 SR Black Buck. જેમાં જોઈએ question 8 Where are the black buck found worldwide? Answer Black buck are found mainly in India but also in part of Pakistan, Nepal and some other countries. 29 Where can we see black buck in India? Answer In India, black buck are found mainly in the state of Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, in Saurashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. 30 Black buck live in jungle. True or false? False. 31 Which is the fastest antelope? Answer The black buck is the fastest of all the antelope. પ્રશ્ન 32 Find out similar meaning of home. Similar meaning of home is habitat. વધીએ છીએ આગળ. પ્રશ્ન 3 Read the data and answer the question. જેની અંદર મિત્રો સ્પોર્ટ ક્લબનું આપણને જે છે મેમ્બરશીપ ફોર્મ આપેલો છે તેના આધારે એક ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર આપવાના રહેશે. 33મો પ્રશ્ન Whose data is given her? તો the data is the ધવલસિંહ વાઘેલા. Question 34 What is his date of birth? His date of birth is 4th June 2004. 35 In which standard does he study? He studied in STD means કે standard 12. ત્યારબાદ 36 What is his father? His father Surendra Singh Waghela is a doctor. 37 Where does he live? He live at B9 Manav Priya tenement of railway station Anand. ત્યારબાદ આગળ છે 4 જેની અંદર read and data the answer. Read and answer the question. તો જોઈએ જેની અંદર આપણને જે અહીં મિત્રો વાતચીત આપેલી છે તેના આધારે નીચે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપવાના થશે. 38મો પ્રશ્ન Who made the phone call and who received it? Answer. Manav made the phone call and Sia received it. Gunchal is. Whom did Manav want to talk to? Answer. Manav want to talk to Mukesh Bhai. Charles. Could he talk to him? Why? No, he could not talk to him because Mukesh Bhai had gone to the market. 41. What did Manav request Sia to tell Mukesh? Answer. Manav requests Sia to tell Mukesh that their friendly one-day cricket match is organized at Sardar Patel Stadium at 19:30 am on Sunday. Section C જેની અંદર પહેલો છે મેચ ધ લેંગ્વેજ ફંક્શન વિથ ધ સેન્ટેન્સીસ જેમાં 42 Lord please go to bed, don't take so much trouble in a single day. તો આપણું સી સાચો ઓપ્શન બનશે મેકિંગ રિક્વેસ્ટ કરી રહ્યા છે 43 she can think reason and compromise તો આવશે ઓપ્શન એ showing ability 44 what a wonderful creation તો ઓપ્શન ડી expressing emotion ત્યારબાદ આગળ જોઈએ choose and write the appropriate response to function to the complete conservation. તો જોઈએ 45 Prisha, which book are you reading? Sia. I am reading the Mahabharat which was written by Vedvyas. એટલે કે ઓપ્શન એ આપણું સાચું બનશે 46 Angel, Lord please go to bed. Lord, I have not completed the work. તો જેમાં આપણું ઓપ્શન સી સાચું બનશે 47 વિપુલ હાઉ ડઝ યોગા હેલ્પ ઇન સ્ટડીઝ તો રાજવીર ઇટ ઇમ્પ્રૂવ યોર કન્ટ્રોવેશન પાવર ધેરફોર યુ કેન સ્ટડી વેલ ઓપ્શન એ સાચું બનશે આગળ જોઈએ કમ્પ્લીટ ધ સેન્ટેન્સીસ યુઝિંગ ધ ફંક્શન ગિવન ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ જોઈએ જેની અંદર 48 The Lord planted to give 6 pair of hands so that she can do many tasks at the same time. 49. Virat ran fast, but he could not win the race. 50. No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. આગળ complete the paragraph filling in the blank with the appropriate word from the bracket. 51. The good Lord was extremely busy that day when he was working with full concentration and angel appeared. આગળ છે find and write the word having the nearest meaning જેમાં fascinated તો આવશે attracted આગળ vanish તો disappear scaring તો આવશે frightening section D Read the dialogue and complete the indirect narration given below choosing the correct option from the bracket. જોઈએ 55 નંબરે Angel asked Lord what he was making. Lord replied that he was preparing a standard model of mother. Angel requested Lord to take some rest and advised him not to make that much street in single day. Lord replied that he was preparing a standard model of mother. Angel requested Lord to make some rest and advised his not to take too much stress in single day. Lord replied that he couldn't rest and added that he had finished most of work. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ join the sentences using the appropriate conjunction given in the bracket. જોઈએ પ્રશ્ન 56 Mikhansi tried hard. He could not win the gold medal. Mikhansi tried hard but he could not win the gold medal. ત્યારબાદ આગળ 57 Mitesh is my friend. His student live in the USA. Mitesh is my friend whose student live in the USA. આગળ 58 Do you know Agra? There is the famous Taj Mahal. Do you know Agra? Where is the famous Taj Mahal? 59 Payal sings well. She dances gracefully. Answer Payal sings well and dances gracefully. આગળ 60 જોઈએ. Read newspaper and magazine regularly. Your general knowledge will be poor. Answer. Read newspaper and magazine regularly, otherwise your general knowledge will be poor. આગળ 61. Switch off the light, then go to bed. Switch off the light before you go to bed. ત્યારબાદ આગળ રાઇટ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ, ફિલ ઇન ધ બ્લેન્ક્સ વિથ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ વર્ડ ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ. જોઈએ 62. The good Lord was extremely busy. That day he was into his sixth day of overtime. When he was working with full concentration, an angel appeared and commented, "You are taking so much care for creating this creature." ત્યારબાદ આગળ છે રીરાઇટ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ ચૂઝિંગ ધ કરેક્ટ વર્ડ ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ. તો જોઈએ આન્સર ડાયરેક્ટલી. Ours is a democratic country. We have right to vote. We elect our representative. આગળ ડુઅર ડાયરેક્ટેડની અંદર આપણે સેન્ટેન્સ લખવાના છે 64. તો his servant was called by the master. The keys were given to him by him. The cupboard was locked by the servant. The keys were put by him on the table. 65. I have received this envelope today. I was written by my strong follower. He always encouraged me with his letter. He liked my program very much. 66. જેની અંદર where are given shade by trees. Pure oxygen is also provided by them. The soil is prevented from erosion by them. આગળ જોઈએ સિલેક્ટ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ટુ ગેટ ધ અંડરલાઇન વર્ડ્સ ફ્રાઝેસ એઝ ધેર આન્સર. તો 67 જોઈએ. પૂર્વરાજ હેઝ બીન લિવિંગ ઇન કલોલ ફોર 17 years. તો ઓપ્શન બી બનશે. હાઉ લોંગ હેઝ પૂર્વરાજ બીન લિવિંગ ઇન કલોલ. 68. રિયા વિલ કોલ ધવલ ટુનાઇટ. ઓપ્શન બી. વેન વિલ રિયા કોલ ધવલ. 69. Rajveer has extremely joined the gym for building his body. Option D. Why has Rajveer joined the gym? ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો સેક્શન E, જેની અંદર 70મા નંબર છે. રાઇટ અ પેરેગ્રાફ ઇન 125 વર્ડ્સ ઓન ધ ગિવન સબ્જેક્ટ યા ટોપિક. તો માય મધર વિશે આપણે લખવાનું થશે. જોઈએ My mother name is Surekha. I come from a joint family. I live with my parents, brother, grandparents, uncle, auntie, and cousins. My mother's name is Surekha Ben. She is 38 years old. She is tall and slim. She is very beautiful. My mother is kind, loving, and gentle. My mother looks after the whole family. She cooks tasty food for us. She often helps me with my studies. She also helps my brother and my cousins with their homework. She takes care of my grandparents. She takes grandmother to the temple every day. She is busy the whole day and yet she is always cheerful. I love my mother. I am very proud of her. She always teaches us to be honest and kind. On Sunday, she tells us stories and play games with us. She is the heart of our family. I want to be like her when I grow up. ત્યારબાદ આગળ જોઈએ 71મા નંબર છે. તો પ્રોબ્લેમ ઓફ હોમ મેકર્સ યા વર્કિંગ મધર્સ. તો લખીશું This is the age of equality between man and woman. Today's woman is more educated and independent than before. More and more women are working mothers now. But it is thought life. She has to strike a balance between home and office. A mother is the most important member of the family. She cooks after the needs of her husband and her children. After doing her duties and at home, she reaches office on time and does her work efficiently there. As a result, she is always under great mental and physical burden. There are problems at home and home problems at office, but she solves all these problems and always has a smile on her face. She gives love and care to everyone, yet often forgets for taking care of herself. We must respect and support all working women. They are strong, smart, and trustworthy, inspiring in every way. ત્યારબાદ આગળ ઈમેલ રાઇટિંગ છે, જેની અંદર આપણને ઈમેલની અંદર ડ્રાફ્ટ an email on behalf of Bhavna, her sister Khushali Mahida on varsa@gmail.com. Information her about the state level is a competition to be held at Tagore Hall, Ahmedabad. તો તેની અંદર મિત્રો ટુ છે varsa@gmail.com. સબ્જેક્ટ છે એસ એ કોમ્પિટિશન એટ Tagore Hall. Dear Khushali Didi, I want to tell you that there is a state level is a competition at Tagore Hall, Ahmedabad. Many students will take part in it. I am also going to participate. I am preparing for it and feeling excited. Please bless me with your good wishes. Love, Bhavna. ત્યારબાદ તેના હાથમાં પૂછ્યું છે 72મા નંબર છે રાઇટ અ રિપોર્ટ ઓન ધ સેલિબ્રેશન ઓફ ધ મધર્સ ડે ઇન અવર સ્કૂલ ઇન 16 words. આન્સર મધર્સ ડે સેલિબ્રેટ રિપોર્ટ જોઈએ, જેમાં વી સેલિબ્રેટેડ મધર્સ ડે on 10th May in our school hall. Many students and teachers joined the program. Some students gave speech about mother. About 200 students performed songs, dance, and short plays. Many mothers came as special guests. Students gave them card and gift. Everyone was very happy at the end. Our principal gave a short speech and thanked all the mothers. It was a special and happy day for all. Everyone enjoyed snacks and took photos together. Mother felt proud and appreciated. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો 37મા નંબર છે ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ ધ પિક્ચર ઇન ધ 10 sentences. જેમાં ગુપ્તા પાણીપુરી છે મિત્રો સ્ટોલ છે, તેના આજુબાજુમાં જે પાણીપુરી ખાઈ રહ્યા છે તેના વિશે આપણે સંપૂર્ણ ચિત્રનું વર્ણન કરવાનું છે. This is picture of Panipuri stall. The name of the stall is Gupta Panipuri. Many people are enjoying the tasty food. A man is serving Panipuri to the customers. A boy is waiting for his turn. A woman in a sari and girl in a school uniform are eating Panipuri happily. Two men are also enjoying the food. The stall has other items like sev puri and ragda patties. Everyone look happy and the place is lively. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે સંપૂર્ણ આપણા યુનિટનું અહીં જે કમ્પ્લીટ સોલ્યુશન પૂરું થાય છે. હવે આગળના યુનિટનું અન્ય વિષયોનું અન્ય સ્વાધ્યાય સોલ્યુશન કે કંઈ પણ બાકી હોય તમામની લિંક આ વિડીયોના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં મિત્રો મળી જશે, ત્યાંથી તમે લખી લેશો અને તમારા મિત્રોને આ વિડીયો શેર કરી દેશો.